guys, welcome back to my channel Little Clever Mind. So today in this video we are going to see algebraic expressions and its identities for class 8. So welcome to part 1 of this video. So I'm going to post some videos for this algebraic expressions and its identities as part 1, part 2, part 3 and part 4 like that. So after that, in one video, I'll collide everything and I'll do a video and I'll post it. Okay, so without further delay, let's get into the video. Okay, so before starting the chapter, let's give it a quick recap of what we learned last year. Okay, so expressions. So expressions are formed by performing operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division on variables and constants. So what are variables and what are constants? So variables are especially the letters or the alphabets. Okay, these are like the variable. Constants are numbers, like 2, 5, 3, 5, and everything like that. Okay. So here, so what you're saying, expression. So expression, you can see the 2x plus 5, 3x square plus y square. So especially in an expression, if you add, subtract, multiply, or divide any two variables or constant, it is known as an expressions. Okay, so now let's get into the terms of an expression. So and parts of an expression formed separately first and then added are known as terms. So examples are terms of an expression: 2x minus 7y. So in this 2, what are the terms? Okay, so terms are 2x is a term and minus 7y is a term. So we can say this as an expression. Okay, so when they are broken, especially when they are separated, when they are added, it's known as an expression. Okay, so if I just write like 2x or 7y, then we can just say it as a term. But when we add or subtract both of these, then we can say it as an expression. Okay, let's get into the next topic. Okay, factors of a term. So factors are individual components of a term. So in the expression 3xy plus 2z, the factors of the term 3xy and 3 are 3xy, and the factors of 2z are 2 and z. So I can see that factors are just like an individual components of a term. So for example, in this 3x and y, they all group to form an term and terms group to form an expression. So that is the main idea of this. I hope you understood it. So now let's get into the coefficients. The constant in the factor of a term is said to be numerical coefficient or simply coefficient of the term. In a more general way, coefficient is said to be the product of the remaining factors. Okay. So here the coefficient of the term. So they have said numerical coefficient is also there. So the coefficient of this term is 3. Okay. Now they're asking the coefficient of y in the term. So the first thing is that you should leave this y. Just leave this y. And the rest of the thing is the coefficient of y. Okay. So now they're asking the coefficient of x squared in the term. So now what you should do? Just leave this x. And the rest is the coefficient. Next one. Oh wow, a great and an interesting topic to learn. Monomial. An expression with only one term is known as monomial. So 7xy, 5 minus 5x, 3y square, 5, 10, etc. Even I can say 5xy is also known as a monomial. Okay. So now they're asking an expression which contains two unlike terms. Guys, please know this is known as two unlike terms. Okay, next we learn about the like terms and unlike terms. So unlike terms is basically like uh, two terms which do not contain the same variable. Okay, so now see here the example is x plus y, 5x plus 5z, x plus 10. Okay, these are containing two terms. So especially how to find and binomial is that you should see whether they have addition or subtraction or multiplication or division. Any of these symbols are there. Okay, so then you can say, but only one time. If they are like 5 divided by 10 into one, then it is known as trinomial. So it is three unlike terms. Okay, you understood the difference between the binomial and trinomial. See here, the two things are there, two additions like that. Okay, so these are known as trinomial. Polynomial. So polynomial is an expression which contains one or more terms. So a monomial, a binomial, and a trinomial, all polynomial. So even I can say if the fourth term is also there, it is also known as a polynomial. Okay, so next one. Okay, so like and unlike terms. Terms which have same algebraic factors are called like terms, and different algebraic factors are known as unlike terms. So to make it as a simple sentence, I just say right now. So this is an expression, and these are the terms we learned, right? So these are terms of the expression, and see here, like terms. So what are the like terms? Like term whose variable are same are known as like terms. So unlike terms, so see here, x, z and z, they are not having a same variable, so they are known as like terms. And here also you can say x, z and z, they don't go together, so this is known as unlike terms. Okay, thanks for watching my video. If you do like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye. See you in the next video.